Hi, my name is Sam Hordesky from Strathern Design, and I'm going to talk about my take of the UX Roundtable that we held on June 6th. This week's topic is basically how to deal with aging software and aging UI. So it's quite common for companies, very successful companies, to have software that is old, both in terms of its code and in terms of the user interface, sometimes dating back to the early 2000s or sometimes even just 2010. And the question is how to approach fixing it. And what I found is it's very rare to find a company that is willing to just stop doing all development and completely switch over to a new platform. So I think realistically, you're not going to boil the ocean. What you're going to want to do is pick a project to piggyback new UI off of and do something that's completely new. Now, some people have an issue with it because it means there's sort of not continuity or consistency because you've got your old UI and the new UI. But I don't really see a way out of it. Again, very rarely are you going to hit the pause button and just do development on the new UI. So the idea is to pick something that you can deliver in a reasonable time frame, whether that's 1 month or 6 months, depending on your organization, or even a year. And then, but when you've done it, you'll have something that's really appreciably better. And something that I've seen is that even though there's a lot of talk in our community about KPIs and be able to prove that a UI is more improved, but in the B2B world, once it's improved, the salespeople are immediately much happier. And there's just a noticeable difference between the old crusty UI from 20 years ago and the brand new one that's, more modern. So, I find it very useful to do this new module, or the new piece, because it builds consensus and it gains interest in doing more and more and more. So those are my thoughts on how to approach an old UI. I hope you find it useful. Thanks.